Morning, guys. We are approaching halfway. Can you believe that? This is the beginning of week 4. You should have already made your first posts to the Unit 2 discussion board. You should be working on your inquisitives. You should be, reading the chapters, getting up to date. I know there's a ton of work out there. That's kind of the nature of this short semester course. I've graded your discussion boards from last time and put comments on it. I tell you what, the thing that I see most often from students, questions that they ask, how do I get more points on my discussion board? How do I, maximize this stuff? With the inquisitives, just stick with it. Just keep on doing it till you get max points. There's no way that you can fail except to not do it. With the discussion board, it's sort of like that. I mean, you can go with the good old fashioned post early and post often mantra. Make sure you get that first post up during the first week. It's a dumb letter grade to give up. It's -5 points to not have posted by that first Sunday night. So do that. Make sure you do that. That's the easy one. Then look at the rubric. The rubric lays out pretty clearly what it takes to maximize points. If you want an A in the discussion board, if you want 45 to 50 points, you're going to need to post 9 or 10 times. You need to post on 5 or 6 different days. So once you get that first post up there, during the second week, you need to be logging in pretty much every day and putting something up on the discussion board. You should post to as many of the different options as you can. I mean, one of the options may interest you more than the other, but you need to get into all of them. Read the discussion, read the primary sources, and apply those to as many of the posts as you can. Show me that you've got this material down, that you're really covering all this stuff well. And then engage each other. Don't just do original posts, okay? Don't just do a series of posts and then not ever read anybody else's or discuss theirs. Go in and talk with other people. Read what they've said. React to it. Read my reactions and react to them. Then continue to post all the way up to the end, Monday night, 10 p.m. Keep on participating all the way throughout the discussion. Do not just do 3 posts and 500 words. That's the passing minimum. That's not the really good grade minimum. So if you want to do well, that's my recommendations. And it shows up in a video and it shows up on this. I mean, there's other places that you can learn this. But take a look at the rubric and see what it's asking for. See what it's saying and then follow through on that. And just participate. This is the one place that you really get to be active in this class. And so make use of that. Do that as much as you can. Obviously, if you have any questions, if you've got any problems with this material, there's a technical questions board where you can put up, I don't know how to find this or that. But there's also, you can just email me directly. If you're like, I don't understand what this assignment's asking for, I don't know what this question means, could you tell me a little bit more about what this part of the textbook means? I love answering, fundamental information questions. I don't see a lot of those, a lot of technical ones, but not just hey, could you tell me a little bit more about this really interesting aspect of history? Don't wait on that. You guys, especially even during a regular 16-week semester, this goes by really fast. 8 weeks, it's a rocket sled. So be sure to contact me if you're having any problems and let's get it worked out. Okay. Otherwise, have a great week. Wrap this stuff up. Understand that when I talk to you again this time next week, it will be halfway through. There are at this point 5 weeks left in the semester, but we are really quickly approaching the midway point on this. So stay on top of stuff. Don't let it get on top of you, and have a good week.